Hey, I'm Santtu from Dick Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how to use a hair wax. Let's make it absolutely clear. Do not apply hair wax to your dirty or wet hair. So wash your hair and then blow dry it. Now that your hair is dry and you have chosen to use hair wax, you are probably going for a messy, I don't give a fuck but still my hair looks good style, or a natural but stylish look. All of these options are easy to achieve with Ghost Clay. I say this one more time. Do not use hair wax on wet hair. Take a pea-sized amount of Ghost Clay from the jar. Spread the wax between your palms and fingers. The biggest mistake people make is spreading too much wax on their palms instead of between their fingers. Remember, you want all the wax to go from your hands to your hair, not to end up with the wax on your hands and then washing it down the drain. Spread the wax from the roots to the tips of the hair. The more wax you put on the roots, the stronger the hold and the neater the style. Use your fingers to style and add more wax if needed. And now it's ready and it looks sexy as fuck.